How to use HubSpot CRM. To effectively use HubSpot CRM, follow this structured step to set up and optimize your account for managing customer relation. Create your account. Sign up for free HubSpot account, which I've already did. Now, after logging in, customize your account settings by adding team members and adjusting preference. You can connect your personal email to streamline communication with the CRM and import contacts and data. So on the left side you will see there's an option of CRM. Here you can just go to this contact, and here you can import your contact if you have any. Right on the top right there's an option to import, so here you can do so. Now set up custom properties. Create custom properties to track specific data relevant to your business. For example, you might want to add a field like billing ID or product purchase to be better categorized and manage your contact. Use the CRM interface to organize customers' data effectively. You can create contact record, manage deals, and segment your data into the list based on criteria that matters most to your business. Explore various features such as creating dashboard, generating reports, and automating tasks, right? Because in the CRM we have a lot of options. For example, here I can just go and click on create a task. So here I can create a task regarding it, and this is what. And usually there's sometimes a little bit changes in the CRM, so keep learning about this. And this is how you can just learn or get to use HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.